Hi there, here is the 43-inch Full HD Onida Android TV. It's a pocket-friendly budget TV with tons of features like HDR10, two-way Bluetooth, Android phone mirroring. In fact, it even comes with built-in iPhone mirroring support. Not something we see in many budget smart TVs. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it, check out all its features, see the viewing experience, so you can decide if you should buy the Onida Android TV or not. Let's begin. So the big brown box returns. You can spot the Onida branding right in the center, 43-inch Full HD written in bold. Then on the bottom are some of its key features. There's Chromecast support, Full HD, HDR10, 300W PMPO and Dolby audio support. On the side are the manufacturing details, customer care number, contents of the box and the MRP of 28,990. By the way, this TV is completely made in India. Alright, let's open it up. So inside the box is the TV itself. Then you have this paperwork that includes the specs of the TV. Towards the back is the customer care details. If you want to go to the user manual, simply scan this QR code. Two basic plastic stands, glossy finish. It also has rubber at the base, so it should get a good grip on the table. Screws for wall mounting and to fix the stands. An AV adapter cable, basically for set-top boxes that lack an HDMI port. And finally the remote. Now this is a combination of Bluetooth and infrared, and its biggest pro is the curved design. It's so ergonomic to hold in the hand. You'll absolutely love it. Then it comes with a minimalistic design. You can spot the power button, the home button, mute button, D-pad to navigate, back button, volume up and down button, shortcut keys for Netflix, for YouTube, for Prime Videos, Google Play and the Google Voice Assistant button here. Really nice and compact remote. So you have fixed the stands and table mount the TV. The TV comes with 3-star energy rating, which is pretty decent. By the way, it also comes with a plastic screen protector to prevent any scratches or damage during transportation. Make sure it's removed. The first thing that we noticed are the bezels. In fact, it's almost bezel-less. The frame is made of metal, giving the TV a very clean and premium look. The below bezel too is quite thin. It comes with this raw texture finish with Onida branding in the center. Moving towards the back, well, it's completely made of metal too and it's extremely well built. Then all the ports are towards the left, which is really convenient to reach even if the TV is wall mounted. Starting from the top, dual USB-A port, Ethernet, antenna, coaxial audio, two HDMI ports, AV input and a headphone jack. The HDMI 2 port supports ARC, so you can connect it to a soundbar or home theater system for digital audio output. Let's have a quick look at the specifications. So it comes with the next-G processor, Full HD VA panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It comes with HDR10 support, 60Hz refresh rate, 1.5 GB RAM with 8 GB internal storage, Bluetooth and dual band Wi-Fi support, 300W PMPO with Dolby audio support, and it's running the latest Android TV 11 OS. Alright, let's start with the display. So the first thing to know is that the Onida TV comes with HDR10 support. And trust me, the HDR content looks absolutely stunning. The color reproduction is vibrant and very punchy. It's a treat to watch. Even though a Full HD display, the clarity feels like 4K. See it for yourself. The blacks too are really deep, keeping the subject bright and crisp. Here's a demo video showing the contrast levels with the brightest whites and the deepest blacks in the same frame. Super impressive. It comes with over 300 nits of peak brightness, which is why HDR content is a delight to watch. When it comes to viewing angles, there is no noticeable shift in color and tones. You can enjoy crisp visuals from virtually any position in the room. Then we streamed 4K HDR videos from YouTube and they played at Full HD 60 FPS without any lag or stutter. Then we went to the media player on the TV and played some local files from the pen drive. Some 4K videos worked while some didn't. However, 2K and Full HD videos played perfectly. All popular formats like MKV, MP4 and MOV are supported. Then we also connected our set-top box. Both SD and HD channels look absolutely brilliant. They're sharp and so clear. If you plan to use your set-top box with this TV, it will provide a very satisfying experience. Coming to the OS. So we see the Android TV Discovery UI, full screen carousel of trending content. Then below there's an app row of all popular apps. There's Netflix, Prime Videos and so many more. Further below, recommended content from other OTT apps. The interface is really smooth and very well optimized. If we go into the settings, about section, you can see it's running the latest Android TV 11 OS. Then in storage, out of 8 GB, 4.3 GB is available, and that's with all the apps already installed. We still have 3.4 GB free. If you go to the app launcher, you'll find the Play Store from where you can install tons of apps and games. All OTT apps, media player, tools, everything is available right here. Then if you go into the Games tab on the top, you can find a lot of games that are designed specifically for smart TVs. We installed Asphalt 8, but remember, some of these games will need a gamepad to be played. We did attach our Bluetooth gamepad and turned on Asphalt 8. But sadly, there wasn't enough space for the game to work. So alternatively, we played Crossy Road. It's a basic game and it worked really well. By the way, you can also play that game just using your TV's remote. Also a feature that is so simple yet so smart. When you adjust the volume, you can now also change the sound profiles instantly from here. There's sports, there's standard, there's movie, there's music and news. Such a handy feature, and this works with all apps. Then the two-way Bluetooth app, here you see two options. The first one is the standard option where you connect your favorite Bluetooth earphones or headphones to enjoy the TV's audio wirelessly. The second one is where you connect your phone's Bluetooth to the TV and play music to the TV speakers and use it as a Bluetooth speaker. You can see the details of the song playing on the display itself. You can also control and change tracks directly from here. You can also turn off the display while the music continues to play, helping you save power. Press any button on the remote and the display will wake up. This is so cool. Then we also tested some OTT apps starting with Netflix. Firstly, the interface is extremely well optimized, so smooth. Let's play an HDR video. There you go. Looks absolutely stunning. It's bright, it's clear and so crisp. By the way, you can find tons of HDR content on apps like Netflix, on Prime Videos, Disney Hotstar and of course YouTube too. Then it comes with mirroring support and it comes with this Fastcast app, and on the first page you can see the apps that support Chromecast. Further, you can even mirror iOS devices. Check this out. Mirroring my iPhone to the Onida TV and it's so smooth. There is a slight delay but no lag at all. Now you can share your images and videos directly on your smart TV. Further, you can mirror Android devices. Then you can also mirror Windows laptop to the TV and even use the phone as a hotspot to work with the TV. Then Google Voice Assistant is available directly on your remote. Just press the button and ask it for the weather, general trivia question like the height of the Sardar Patel statue, or even launch apps like Netflix. Very convenient. Coming to the audio. So it comes with 300W PMPO. There are two 10W downfiring speakers with Dolby audio support. Time for a quick demo. Alright, so the audio sounds really good, especially for TV's built-in speakers. They get loud, they're punchy, and provide a very satisfying experience. The Onida 43-inch Full HD Android TV is priced at $22,990 and is currently available only at offline stores. But soon it will be available online as well. In fact, when you buy this TV offline, it's clubbed with KY Rock speakers, which takes the audio experience to the next level, giving you a total output of 500 watts PMPO. You must check that out. By the way, there is also an Onida 32-inch that can be bought online from Flipkart for just $11,999, which too I think is an excellent deal if you are looking for something more compact. I'll share the link below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.